Hey guys, so I'm going to do a quick little video today and show you all of my Mezco dolls that I have, like horror dolls. So I've got 5 of the Mezco Roto dolls, and then I've got 3 of the talking, I think they're 15-inch dolls as well. So I'll show you all of them. I know a lot of you have already probably seen this. They were in my horror room tour, which I'll link down below in case you want to go and watch that. And they've been like on my Instagram and probably other videos, like haul videos when I've got them for Christmas or my birthday and stuff too. But I thought I'd just put them all in one place, show you all of them at the same time, show you them a little bit closer up out of the box and stuff, so that if anyone's interested in them, then you can see what they look like. So we're going to start off with the Roto ones first. Like I said, I've got 5 of those ones, and these ones are like a soft body, very like wobbly kind of doll, so you can position them any way you like because they're so bendy. I do have them sat on a shelf, like a bookshelf, and they sit really well like that. I'll put a picture here now of what that looks like. So yeah, they do sit up very, very well, but like I say, they are super soft and squishy, kind of like a teddy soft toy kind of material. They do have a hard plastic head though, and feet and hands as well. So this one is the Ghostface Scream one, obviously. He has, like you just saw then, a little hood that kind of goes up and down. If it's down, he does still have a black head. I don't know why you'd put it down though. And this hood has like a wiring in it, so you can sort of position it into whatever shape you would like that looks kind of the best for him. I usually have it a bit kind of like this. And then he has little plastic gloved hands. So he's got this one, and on this side he's holding a knife. I think you can remove, yeah, you can definitely remove the knife from there if you want to, but this hand is like a clenched sort of fist, and then he has his little knife in that one. The costume has these little hanging parts off both of the arms on each side. And then let's see what his body looks like under here. Yeah, so his body just looks like a soft like pillow kind of thing with this sheet over the top of it. And then his boots are so cute. They are so detailed. So this is what his tiny little boots look like. They literally look like real tiny little shoes. I love his shoes the most. Out of all of them, he definitely has the cutest little boots. So that one is Ghostface. Next we have Annabelle. So usually I have her sat with her like little hands kind of crossed in a lap like this. There is 2 different Annabelle ones that you can get. There is this one, and then there's another one as well. I'll put a picture here now of what the other one looks like. But this one I think is definitely the better looking one, just in my opinion. She doesn't have such weird eyes as the other one. She is very creepy though. She does have a little makeup face, so she's got like little rosy cheeks and some blue shadow, and then some like marks on her as well, big eyelashes. Her hair is in 2 little braids at the sides. Fringe is a little full, a little ugly, and it kind of sticks out at the sides, but you could definitely hairspray it down if you wanted to. And then she's got a little rose kind of detail on her dress. It is a full length dress as well, and this is what her little hands look like. Like I said, I usually kind of place her with one hand in the other hand because I don't really know why her hands are this shape if she's supposed to be doing something else. And her dress does have this kind of like staining to it as well. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on camera with the light, but it does have kind of some yellowing strips into it, so it's not fully white. It is a little bit like dirty kind of looking. And then compared to the other ones, she definitely has the most boring little feet. They're literally just like plastic little stubs. There's no toes or anything on them. I don't know if the original Annabelle doll maybe looks like that and that's why they are like that, but or maybe just because they're hidden kind of by her dress. I don't really know, but that is what Annabelle looks like anyway. Then next we have the newest one to my collection, and I think also maybe just the newest one that they brought out, and that is the Creepshow like Crypt Keeper guy. He is very, very, very floppy compared to the other ones. The other ones are like more full-bodied, they sit up quite well. He literally is like a rag doll, kind of throwing himself around. This one sort of has to be propped up next to something on the shelf to sit upright, but he is so detailed. There's loads of dust coming off him for some reason. Outfit wise, a little boring. You definitely have to play with it a lot. You have to pull some of this white hair out of there to make him like look a bit cooler and stuff, because when it comes it is so ugly. But once you've kind of fixed it into a nice position, then he looks really, really cool. So it comes all stuffed in here really tight. You've just got to pull the stitching out and then pull some of his little grey hair out of there. He just has one eyeball, which is very realistic and creepy. And the detailing on him is just crazy. His hands and feet are insane as well. So this is what his little hands look like. Just like rotted skeleton. They are so cool. And then same with both of the feet as well. Like I said, crazy, crazy floppy, but so, so detailed. Like the bones on this and stuff. They are definitely the best feet of the collection, I would say. So apart from him being crazy floppy, I wish he was a little more stuffed. He is really, really cool. Not my favourite. I think the next two that I'm about to show you are my favourite two. But detail wise on his like hands and stuff, then he is amazing. So that one is the Creepshow one. And then like I said, I have two left. So the next one is the Nun. Now I love this one just because her face is just insane to me. It's so creepy and realistic looking. The details on this one, I'm not sure if it's really showing up that well on camera, but in person this one is crazy. Her eyes are so creepy. Everyone that comes in our horror room like hates this one. This is the one that everyone says, I do not like that doll, and I'm like, I get it, I can see. So she has this little, I don't know what these are called, like a veil, a hooded veil. There must be a name for it in like nun terms, but she has this, and it has wire like the Ghostface one as well, so you can position it nicely. And then she has this little belt around her middle. Again, very well stuffed, can sit up very well. Her hands are super creepy. They've got like blue veins and little dark gross nails on them. Same with that one too. Again, don't know why she's got different positioned hands if she's supposed to be doing something, but I usually have a big cross sat across this one, so I just kind of have her like holding the cross. And then again, she has very, very plain feet, kind of like Annabelle, just the black version, no detail on there or anything. Again, I don't know if it's because the dress goes that long possibly, but a little tiny bit of detail on the feet would have maybe been nice. But yeah, I absolutely love that one. She is so, so creepy. So that one is the Nun. And then last but not least of the Roto ones I have a Pennywise. Again, this is another one that people say that they really don't like. I think it must just be the eyes, because they have these like bright creepy eyes. He has a full plastic head. There's no hair or anything. I think it would have been kind of cool maybe to do the hair, actual hair, like the Crypt Keeper one, but I guess this kind of stays more perfect looking. His outfit is so, so cute. All these little ruffles and stuff, and these little pom-poms. Such fine little details. There's like a little twisted string around the bottom of the cuffs here with the frills and stuff. He has kind of like gloved, white, veiny looking kind of hands. They look a little bit like Mickey Mouse kind of hands. And his feet are so cute. He has these little shoes with little plastic pom-pom balls on them. Again, another one with really, really detailed feet. There is two Pennywises. There is this one, which is the newer one, and then there's also the older one, which is like the Tim Curry Pennywise. Again, my personal preference is that I like this one more, but I will put another picture here now of what the other Pennywise looks like. So yeah, that is the Pennywise one that I have as well. And then, like I said, I have 3 of the, I think they're 15-inch talking ones as well. So I have Chucky, Tiffany, and Regan. I really, really want the Jigsaw one, but it's just absolutely impossible to find. They're like £200 on eBay, and it's just not happening right now. But maybe one day I will have him. So this is the Chucky one that I have. I think, again, there's definitely a different Tiffany. I think there might as well be a different Chucky. But I liked this one with all like the damage to his face. So he has like the little staples in the head and the cuts and stuff like that. I just think that he looks creepier. When their hair comes, they are gross, especially Tiffany. She needed a real like hairdo done. But you can definitely sort them out. They do fall nicer over time. These ones, again, are so detailed. The clothing on these is insane. It's like the cutest little outfit. His dungarees have like cowboy hats and boots and baseball bats and hammers and stuff like that on them, like the original ones. They like crisscross in the back. And he has a knife in this hand. You can take it out if you want to. And then he's got these little shoes on, and like I said, he talks. So I'm gonna go through all the phrases now. It might be really, really loud, so maybe turn it down if it's super loud, but we're gonna start showing you what he says now.
Now the first thing we gotta do is get me out of this body once and for all.
So that's the first one.
A true classic never goes out of style. Get off my knife. I'll be back. I always come back. I don't have a problem with killing.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Now the first thing we gotta do is get me out of
So that was all of them.
once and for all.
I don't know how many phrases each one says. It's like a different amount, but that was all of his ones. So that is little Chucky that we have. Then next I've got Tiffany. Now, like I said, when she comes, her hair is gross. This is kind of as good as we've got so far. It's looking a little cuter now. It's kind of fallen more into a bit of a shape. I actually didn't want this one at first. I wanted the more angry looking Tiffany, but Gary got me this for Christmas and I love this one way more. When it's out of the box, this looks nothing like it does in the box. They really don't do her justice. She is way cuter. She's got a little leather jacket on, she's got her wedding dress, she's got her little Tiff necklace here and her little tattoo. So cute. Again, she has like painted little nails and stuff, just like me with the same. And then she has really cute little detailed boots. Love those boots, would definitely buy those in real life. I feel like we're twinning right now, like we look a little similar. But yeah, she is adorable. Love this one way more than the other one now, so I'm really, really happy that he got me this one. And we're gonna press her little buttons to see what she says.
Hold still, honey, I'm gonna poke you in the eye again. See, now that's the look of a true homicidal genius. Were you born with that knife super glued onto your hand or what? Goodbye, darling. I'll see you in hell. Oh, Chucky, look at us. Don't you see? We belong together. I love you, Chucky. Hold still, honey. I'm gonna poke you in the eye again.
So that is little Tiffany's phrases that she says. Very, very cute. And then the last one that I have, and the newest one that I got, is little Regan. Again, kind of crazy hair that needs sort of fixing a bit and stuff and positioning. But she is so creepy. Absolutely love her. She looks so detailed. She has like a green tinge to her skin and these crazy eyes and her little nightgown kind of thing on. Her nails and her feet and stuff are a little like darker and gross looking, but they're not super like detailed or different or anything. she just stands creepily looking like this. So we will turn her thing on and play all of her little phrases. That was very loud. So she is definitely louder than the other two and also kind of more muffled sounding than the other two, but I do still love her though. I think she is so creepy and cute. So that is little Regan. So yeah, that was all of my Mezco dolls. Hopefully you liked this video. I know it was just a little short one of kind of showing you things that you'd probably already seen before, but just in case you wanted to see them all up close and stuff. You'll have to let me know what your favorite one was down below, and if you're not already, then please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.